Okay, notice the motor's a little bit hot. I mean, I can still touch it with my finger, but it's pretty hot. ESC is pretty warm as well. So yeah, running these big tires really puts a strain on this probably, but yeah, no big deal. That's what makes it funner. Okay, looks like I just blew a drive shaft is all. You can see it in there spinning. Yeah. All right, so basically I think I'll end the video here. You can see that the Fling Kings are quite a bit bigger than what like a trencher or a Badlands would be, or a stock Granite or Typhon, well, Granite tire anyways. So yeah, these standoffs, they're just to get the body up higher so the wheels don't rub and stuff. But as for the car itself, I'm enjoying it. It's not the greatest for jumps probably, but I did break one hot racing. This is a brand new shock. Just the rod end plastic just broke on it. I think something else happened to the front shocks on the first run. I can't remember what happened there. And through a drive shaft. So yeah, I think it's real hard on the shocks is what I think. Actually, one of the shocks came apart on the front, and I was able to get it all back together. But these shocks in the front are way too weak. They're just way too weak. The ones in the back are working out well though. Yeah. It's a lot of fun. Might as well just run the Granite till it has nothing left. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You guys enjoy your day.